Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to this guide on FL Studio. In this video, I will explain how to play FL Studio. To begin, familiarize yourself with the main interface. It is divided into several key areas: the channel rack, playlist, and mixer. Understanding these core components is crucial for creating your music. The channel rack manages your instruments and samples, while the playlist arranges your song structure. The mixer allows you to shape your sound with effects and volume adjustments. Let's dive in and explore each part in more detail. Now, let's craft your first beat. Start by adding drum samples or a drum machine to the channel rack. You can then program a basic rhythm using the step sequencer, which features 16 steps by default. Adjust the volume and stereo position of each drum sound to achieve a balanced mix. Feel free to experiment with different drum kits and patterns to develop a unique and engaging groove for your track. With your beat established, it is time to add melodies and bass lines. Choose a virtual instrument from the browser and load it into the channel rack. You can then record or program MIDI notes directly into the piano roll, which offers precise control over pitch and timing. Remember to quantize your notes to ensure they are perfectly in sync with your beat. Try layering different instruments to build a fuller, more dynamic soundscape for your composition. Finally, let's arrange and mix your track. Drag your patterns from the channel rack into the playlist to build your song's structure, creating verses, choruses, and bridges. Next, assign each instrument and sample to a dedicated mixer track. Here, you can apply effects such as equalization and compression to shape your sound. Carefully adjust the volume and panning of each track to achieve a balanced and polished final mix, ready for export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.